Hello everyone and welcome to this video series on Python for IT Professional. This is a 4 series presentation. Part 1 focuses on Python fundamental and construct. It teaches the IT professional with Python language data types and programming constructs. Part 2 focuses on using functions, files and modules. In this video, IT professional will learn all about using file and file operations, writing their own functions and making usable modules. Part 3 of the video session will help you become advanced Python programmer. Yay! This will help IT professionals how to leverage Python in projects like websites or IoT, and this will use Django framework. Part 4, this is advanced Python programming, focuses on using cognitive services across in Azure and Amazon. Well, happy learning and wish you all a very happy new and a programming full 2019 year.